Now that we have the control arms in place, it's time to center the axle side to side. So for that, we're going to install the brand new Rubicon Express front track bar.
Step one of the install was to drill out this bracket. This is the one where the bolt gave me so much issue. It was already drilled out from the old track bar, which was not factory. The second step, though, is drilling out this one to 5/8. Once that's drilled out, then we can actually get the track bar installed. So, let's get to it. Maybe. Oh, that sucked. Alright, so now that we got that drilled out, now we can hopefully bolt it in and that part goes smoothly. Now, one thing you will notice is that this comes with a little welded tab, and that is what gave us so much issue on the other one, is it didn't have that. Before I get too far, I want to make sure that the axle is close to centered. The frame's tweaked, so we lose that reference. So all I'm doing is measuring from the out of the flares and trying to get close. 10 3/4, 12 1/8. Alright, so now that we're close, let's try and get this installed. There we go. One track bar installed. Now it's time to tackle the steering. The way this is going to work is we're going to put everything together, not going to tighten anything down as far as the adjustments go, so we get everything back together, the wheels and tires on. That way we have something a little bit better to measure from for getting everything nice and straight. It's almost like I know what I'm doing sometimes. Almost. Alright, so now that we got the steering at least loosely in, it's time to put everything back together so we can get the front end back on its wheels. Alright, so here we are again. Got the steering linkage on, minus the steering stabilizer. Left that off so hopefully it's easier to adjust so there's no tension anywhere. Now it's time to start putting all the brakes and stuff back together.
go.
Alright, one side done, one to go. And that's this side done. Let's get the wheels and tires back on.
Since we're holding off on getting the front end adjusted, that means it's pretty much done. So, next we're going to start working on the rear suspension, but that will be on another episode of Wrangler Resurrection. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks again for watching. If you could, please like, subscribe, comment on this video, all that good stuff. It'll really help me out. Until then, see you next time.